I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money into your Skrill account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Open the Skrill website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to your registered email for verification. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, find the deposit option in the main menu. This is usually located at the top of the screen or in the sidebar. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Input the amount you wish to deposit. Be aware of any minimum or maximum limits that may apply based on your chosen method. For instance, some methods might require a minimum deposit of $10. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review your deposit details and confirm the transaction. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. That's it. You should see the funds in your Skrill account shortly after completing these steps. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Skrill's customer support. Happy transacting!